Good morning, students. Welcome to 8th standard. I hope all are fine. Stay safe at home. Let us start science class term 1 microorganism unit 6. Introductions of microorganism. Microorganisms are very small particles. They cannot seen through naked eye, but will be seen with the help of microscope. Microorganism is also known as microbes. The study of microorganism is known as microbiology. In our chapter, we categorize microorganism into 5 types. They are bacteria, virus, fungi, algae, and protozoa. Let us start with virus. Virus is a tiny particle which is 10,000 times smaller than bacteria. In Latin, the word virus means poison. Study of virus is known as virology. Structure of virus. Virus is made up of DNA or RNA. DNA means deoxynucleic acid and RNA means ribonucleic acid. This DNA or RNA is surrounded by protein coat. In some virus, the protein coat is covered by envelope, and the virus contain spikes which has helped the virus attach to the host cell. Next, we learn about different shapes of virus. Virus can exist in rod shape, spherical shape, and helical shape. Bacteriophage, this is the example for rod shaped virus, and spherical shaped virus is influenza, and helical shaped virus is tobacco mosaic virus. Virus shows living and non-living characters. Next, we learn about bacteria. Bacteria is a single-celled prokaryotes. You already know about prokaryotes. The cell without nuclei is known as prokaryote. It is a single-cell prokaryotes, and the study of bacteria is known as bacteriology. Based on respiration, the bacteria is classified into 2 types. First one is aerobic bacteria and second one is anaerobic bacteria. Aerobic bacteria require oxygen for survival, and anaerobic bacteria which survive without oxygen. Next, we learn about structure of bacteria. These are the different structures of bacteria. The bacteria is mainly contained, the outer layer is known as cell wall, and it contains the nucleoid without nuclear membrane because it is a prokaryotes. The extra chromosomal DNA is known as plasmid, which is present in cytoplasm. Other cell organelles, mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulums are absent in bacteria. Bacteria which contain 70S ribosomes, which is help in protein synthesis. Bacteria which contain flagella, which is help for locomotion. It contains small tiny pili, which is help for adhering, that is attachment purpose. Next, we learn about types of bacteria. Based on shape, the bacteria is classified into 4 types: Bacilli, Spirilla, Cocci, and Vibrio. Based on number of arrangement of flagellum, that is the flagella we already know about, which is help for the locomotion of this bacteria. It is categorized into 5 types. Monotrichus, it is a single flagella which is present at one end. Example is Vibrio cholerae. Lophotrichus, it contains tuft of flagella, that is the cluster of flagella which is present in this one end of this bacteria. And Amphitrichus, the tuft of flagella which is present in this both end of this bacteria. And Peritrichus, the flagella is located all around the bacteria. That is example is E. coli. And next one is Atrichus. Without any flagella, the bacteria is known as Atrichus. Thank you, students. I hope all are understand about microorganisms such as virus and bacteria. Once again, I thanks to all.